In the parking lot on my way out of the car show, and lo and behold, a C5 Corvette Roadster. And it's a beauty. Metallic blue, silver inside. I can't see the picture because the camera is not bright enough to overcome the bright sun. So hopefully I'm doing a nice job. Silver inside. Chrome wheels. About as good as you can do if you're going to do a C5 Corvette. I'm a fan. Got the rear mount antenna. These cars, in my opinion, may be the best value of a Corvette that you can buy. They have all the toys and good looking and drive great. This is a commemorative Corvette of Le Mans, maybe. Pretty cool.